What's the meaning of bowdlerize? Bowdlerize. Bowdlerize.
Bowdlerize. Bowdlerize. The term bowdlerize refers to the process of removing or modifying content that is considered offensive, vulgar, or otherwise objectionable. The resulting text is often more sanitized and appropriate for a wider audience, but it can also be criticized for censorship and altering the author's intended meaning. The word stems from the name of 19th-century English physician Thomas Bowdler, who published a family-friendly edition of Shakespeare's plays that removed any references to sex or violence. Today, bowdlerization is still commonly used in media and literature to edit content for younger or more sensitive audiences.